Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hourly beep and the alarm on your Casio A100. Now, as you can see here on the top right corner, we have two symbols. Since they are both present on our home screen, that means that both functions are on. Now the first lines are going to signal the fact that the alarm is on. And then we have a small bell, and that is going to mean that the hourly beep is on. So every full hour your Casio is going to beep. Now what we want to do in order to deactivate them is to make sure that none of them appear here on the screen. So what you want to do is to press the mode button once until we arrive at the alarm. And here I'm going to press the D button, so the last on the right side. And as you can see, both of them have disappeared. If I press it once, as you can see, the lines appear, so that means that the alarm is on. If I press it once again, you can see that now the hourly beep is on. If I press it for the third time, both the alarm and the hourly beep are on. And if I press it for a fourth time, both of them have disappeared. Now, in order to end the process, we are going to press the mode button. And as you can see, we have arrived on our home screen, and none of these appear right here on the home screen. Now, something that I want to also show you is that when you start to set an alarm, so if you start to set an alarm, it will automatically activate the alarm. So in case you play with your watch and set an alarm, make sure to know that your alarm has been activated by default when you start to set the alarm. In case you want to deactivate it, you will have to do this manually. So make sure to have no symbols showing right here, guys. Now I'm going to press the mode button once again in order to arrive at my home screen. And that is the quick guide that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features, so how to also set the time and date, and how to use the stopwatch, how to set the alarm on your Casio A100, make sure to check out the link in the description box below, guys. And I will also post a video with how to replace the watch battery. So I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy these. In case you enjoy these types of videos, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I will see you on the next one.